Hello everyone, this is Client Whisperer Point. Do you want to learn about the different types of plant adaptations? I bet you do. So let's head on. The different plant adaptations. So what are the different types of plant adaptations? These are desert plant adaptations, temperate grassland plant adaptations, tropical rainforest plant adaptations, temperate rainforest plant adaptations, temperate deciduous forest plant adaptations, taiga plant adaptations, tundra plant adaptations, and lastly, water plant adaptations. First, let's talk about desert plant adaptation. Desert plant adaptation is a type of adaptation that is very dry and often hot. It only has annual rainfall that averages less than 10 inches per year, and that rain often comes all at the same time, while the rest of the year is very dry. Desert plants have developed the main adaptive strategies, which are succulence, drought tolerance, and drought avoidance. Next, we have temperate grassland adaptation. This type of adaptations have soft stems which enables true prairie grasses to bend in the strong wind. It also has narrow leaves which minimize the water loss. Many grasses are wind pollinated and are well suited to the exposed, windy conditions of the grassland. In temperate grasslands, many adaptations survive the grassland biome. The plants have deep spreading root systems that allows them strength and moisture during the times of drought. Because most of the plants has long narrow leaves that doesn't need as much water. The grasses grow from the bottom and grow close to the ground. Tropical rainforest plant adaptation. The following adaptations allows the plants to survive in the conditions of the rainforest. Example, lianas. These are woody vines that have roots in the ground but climb up to the trees to reach the sunlight. Their leaves and flowers grow in the canopy. Tree trunks. These are tall and thin to allow the trees to reach the sunlight. The bark on these trees is smooth to allow water to flow down to the roots easily. Temperate rainforest plant adaptation. In these adaptations, most of the animals in the temperate rainforest live on or near the ground. Hibernation and migration are the most prominent rainforest animal adaptations that are seen in the temperate rainforest. Animals like black bears spend their entire winter hibernating, thus ensuring they don't exert too much energy. Temperate deciduous forest plant adaptation. In this type of adaptations, plants have thin, broad, lightweight leaves that captures a lot of sunlight to make a lot of food for the tree in warm weather when the weather gets cooler. The broad leaves cause too much water loss and can be weighed down by too much snow, so the tree drops its leaves. How do plants survive in temperate deciduous forests? Because it gets cold, the trees have adapted to the winter by going into a period of dormancy or sleep. They protect them from the cold weather. Trees flower and growing during the spring and the summer growing season. Many different kinds of trees, shrubs, and herbs grow in deciduous forests. Taiga plant adaptation. In the taiga biome, needles will retain moisture and shed snow. The waxy coating on tree needles prevents evaporation. The darkness of the needles helps to attract more sun. Many of the branches on evergreen droop down, allowing the shedding of snow. Tundra plant adaptation. Plants have also adapted to the Arctic of tundra by developing the ability to grow under a layer of snow to carry out photosynthesis in extreme cold temperatures, and for flowering plants to produce flower quickly once the summer begins. A small leaf structure is another physical adaptation that helps plants survive. And adaptation in water. Aquatic plants require special adaptation for living submerged in water or at the water's surface. The most common adaptation is the presence of lightweight internal packing cells, Ericima but floating leaves, and finely dissected leaves are also common.